Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to create unlimited or multiple Facebook profile with single name. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can create a multiple Facebook account with only single or one name. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not root advice, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your app store, your Play Store over here. Now once you open your app store, your Play Store, just search for your Facebook and make sure you are using the latest version of your Facebook application. So just wait for it to load and then search for your Facebook over here. So search for Facebook. So once you search for Facebook, you can see update. You need to make sure you update your Facebook application to the latest version. Now once you have updated your Facebook application, just go ahead and then open your Facebook over here. So I'm going to open my Facebook. Now once you open your Facebook, click on your profile over here. So click on the three lines at the top right corner. Once you open your Facebook, just click on the three lines at the top right corner and you can see your profile over here, and you can see create another profile. Click on that and you can see create another profile, and you can see express another side of you. So click on get started. Once you click on that, now enter the name of the profile and you can use a single name for that. So in my case, I'm going to use profile freedom over here. So let me do that in uppercase, and you can see it is marked over here. You can see verified. So click on continue, and once you click on continue, you can see your profiles almost done. So you can see my profile is almost done. So you can choose to edit your profile over here. You can choose to edit the cover and also profile picture over here. So you can see, double check all your info and click on continue, and you can see over here important profile information. So click on create profile over here, and once you click on profile, you can see boom, the profile is created successfully. So with this you can create multiple accounts. So this is very simple. Now you can see my account and you can see switching profile over here. Immediately you create the account, it will switch to the new one, and with this you can create unlimited or multiple Facebook profile using even a single name. This is very simple and so amazing. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.